Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Whirlpool brand refrigerator freezer and it's giving you an E9 error and you're wondering, oh, what is this error and what's going on? So the E9 error, it basically means that the temperature in the freezer is too high and it's been too high for too long. So all we need to do to get rid of this error is figure out what's going on. This could be a couple of kind of common causes. Could be number one, you've just left the door open too long and everything got warmed up in there and it's having trouble getting cooled back down. And similarly, you might have stuck something hot in there, like, you know, a big bowl of soup or something that you wanted to freeze for later, but there was just a lot of heat in that and it's keeping the freezer from getting cooled down properly, and so the freezer will end up giving you this error. Hopefully it's one of those things, because the next thing that it could be is some kind of sensor or air circulation issue that is happening because of, you know, either vents being blocked, which you can check and make sure nothing's blocking the vents, or buildup of frost somewhere, either in the box, which is easier to deal with. You can even just scrape it off. But you know, most freezers, they have a way of dealing with that with the auto defrost. But also what can happen is actually in the walls, not in the box itself, but in the walls, condensation can freeze. And that can cause the same kind of problems. And the bad thing about that is really the only way to get rid of that is to do a full defrost on your freezer, which is kind of annoying, but it's, you know, take everything out and then leave the doors open, unplug it, and just leave it like that for a full day, because it really needs to get warmed up inside the walls and everything, get everything thawed out. But anyways, hope this video helped you figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.